Hi, I'm Phil from Stokes Heating. Today we're doing a review on the Monument OMAT, the heat mats. Class bit of kit, keep them in the van, using them quite regular. Open the flap and you can stick your pipes in between, so when you're in tight areas you can actually hook that over your pipe and it's not dropping off like the others. Smaller one does do the 22 if you're in a tight pickle, but better for the smaller pipes, 15, 10 if you need to. But yeah, they do keep it in place, just having that open. As long as you're using the flap the right way, the heat is then directed away from any walls, protecting the customer's property. Whereas the other way, the heat can get past, so it's definitely the one way to use it. And holding it in place rather than trying to prop anything up to keep it together. Bit of smoke off them when they're getting hot. But they keep that to a minimum. There's no crazy smell off the smoke either, like some of them. Yeah, so far they've worked as expected. Handy piece of kit in the van. Recommend them to everyone who's doing a bit of hot works. Thank you Tool Talk for sending me to the review.